What y'all know about that Kelly's Market? Welcome back to another episode, y'all. Today we're on the drift boat fishing smallmouth with Tyler Young and Daniel Patterson. You've probably seen both of them in my videos before. Tyler Young is a biologist here that works for the Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries. He's also a good friend of mine and he loves to fish, so we get out when we can. Daniel Patterson, of course, fish with him a ton. He does raft trips for Blue Ridge Musky and a great guy. So we're gonna try to get on some smallmouth today. I'm gonna try to get some on top water with the fly rod, and we'll see what happens. Should be a good day. Yeah. There we go. First fish on the underspin.
But I love them for what you're doing right now. You know, they're a pain to tote around, but when they are in the winter, that's about it.
Oh, right away.
Yeah, that's all right. Oh, flopper.
You guys want to fish everything, or you want to pick your way through?
Yeah, whatever y'all want to do.
It's gonna be a long day if we fish everything.
Yeah, at some point we're going to have to start picking and choosing. We're going to be
We need to figure out what the bigger fish are sticking on and just find those areas. There we go. They're chasing this jerkbait, they're just not eating it hard. Three in the row on the jerkbait. I love a jerkbait, man. You can fish it year round. I caught a nice pickerel, a decent pickerel, last weekend on a jerkbait. Surprised we haven't seen any bigger smallmouth just cruising. There we go. Oh, you got a fish on you, you got a fish on you. Get ready, here she comes. You didn't even see her. You didn't even see her.
Ready? Yep. Let him pull. So it's going to be like that. Ready?
Nope. Take your time. Oh.
God!
Get off.
Yeah, you're right.
Still got to make them eat. Oh, oh, oh. Damn. See her? She's coming up. She's coming up. Whoever's up here. I think they're sitting on these ledges, and we don't even see them. Got her. Yep. Yep. Got her. That's a different one. There goes my...
Shook the bait off.
Yep.
Damn, don't let it jump. I don't like the way that's hooked.
Yeah, I know. Ready? She's still pretty green. I'm just gonna take my time.
Yes, sir.
No, it isn't.
No,
Look,
it's
it's got a
tagged.
tag. It's got a freaking tag.
Yeah, buddy. All right, let me get my hook book out here. Do some science here.
Let me get that, copy that information into the book I got too.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to keep track of some of these fish so I can go back and say, hey, I caught this one last year and this was the tag number and this was the length. Kind of keep my own little data. This one kind of acts up. There we go. Ready?
Yeah.
C014249.
249.
Floyd tag number 5765. Summer, they're so spunky. Oh, there she goes.
That's all right.
Yeah. What would you say? Well, you can look up the length.
Yeah, I can do that.
I'd say probably about the same size, 38, 39.
Just jumped right on up to me.
She just jumped right out, yeah. Said, see ya. Now that we got somewhat of a pattern, we might be able to start catching them. What came up right there? Turtle?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, I see him. He's eating it though.
I still got it. Keep going. It's okay. You good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we put mix them around. He's still putting right there. He's pointing up towards the bank. He's still putting right there. Angle him that way a little bit. Yep, drop it down. Drop it down.
Yeah. Oh! That felt solid too, man. I thought I had him.
Yeah, they like you turned him, you know, he picked it up. Y'all caught any fish?
See that thing on the back?
What is it?
48-inch damn Musky.
48?
48.
There. That's a good one.
What'd you catch that on?
There.
Damn. We ought to be throwing poppers. Ooh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here they are. Yep, big muskie. That was a nice one.
Hanging right there.
That's crazy.
Up in the riffles like this?
Oh, they gotta be feeding.
Yeah. He probably was going to catch him. People have told me they'll pull out of the pools and go to the riffles.
I've seen them up to the base of riffles feeding right at the base, but never this far up one. You don't see that very often.
Maybe he was moving to a new pool. Big fishes ran him out down here.
Ah.
That really took him 6 tries.
Double.
Like a creek somewhere like that.
There is a creek down here.
Yeah, oh yeah, but it looks like something funky in the water like that.
Oh yeah, discoloration. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a great day out on the water. We caught an absolute ton of smallmouth, probably about 50 or 60 fish. Nothing real big, we couldn't find any big ones, but we did catch 2 muskie. We lost 2 other muskie, and they were eating bass baits. They were eating little Kitech swim baits on a 1/4 ounce weighted jig head and just slurping them right up. We were just bouncing them off the bottom and swimming them around, and the muskies were eating them right up. So overall, it was an awesome day, a really long day. We were on the water for 14 or 15 hours, and it was hard work getting down some of those rapids with the water so low. So we were all super exhausted when we got back. Do us a favor, if you have not already, click that subscribe button right there. That would help this channel out a lot. And if you haven't seen these 2 videos, give them a check. We'll catch you all on the next one.